Welcome. This is how to turn on auto answer for one person on iPhone. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the assistive touch into your iPhone. Now over here, go to control center. Here on the control center, guys, you could just simply go for the focus over here and make sure to select do not disturb. And you could just simply select the three dots and go through the settings. Now, from here, you could just simply put an exception for your specific person. So tap on people, and from here, you could just simply add people so you could still get their notifications even if you have do not disturb turned on. Now, to turn on the auto call, you could just simply go to the settings into your phone. Now, from here, just simply go to accessibility, scroll down, and go for touch, and you should be able to scroll down a little bit as well. And you will have a call audio routing. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have an option over here, auto answer calls. So just simply turn this on, and you should be able to turn on auto answer for one person into your phone. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.